Unicor High-Tech Company Limited. Unicor High-Tech is silently walking the way of locking devices for residential life. Starting from making electric power locks for family use in 1970, we continuously grew as Korea's door lock specialist company. We created the advanced technology of DDL, Digital Door Lock, and digitized in life and now reforming as a leader of this industry. We at Unicor High-Tech think that the standard of all work is to satisfy customers. This thought gave us so many certificates and improved the quality of our products. Starting from design to product assembly and installation, we at Unicor High-Tech have the total system for product completion to head toward customer satisfaction. The digital door locks produced in Unicor High-Tech are divided into handle, integral, main key, and handle-separated subkeys. We also produce digital door locks for glass doors. We, Unicor, produce the mortise lock. We also produce the mounted lock, which is a handle-less product. We also produce tempered glass digital door locks in Korea. Products of our Unicor High-Tech are easy to install and manage. 1. Remove the existing mechanical door handle. 2. After installing the mortise, use the handle shaft to perforate, marking the certain place using the blueprint. After inserting the handle shaft, you must insert the stop pin in the hole. 3. After installing the mortise, install the front assembly. Check the right position of the mortise. 4. After installing front assembly, install the back assembly. At this time, tighten the mortise wire and the 10-key wire attachment horizontally. Attach the white paint of the wire to go up. 5. Assemble the back assembly and install the strike on the door frame. 6. Install all the products and open the door to check if the product works properly. One, perforate using the hole blueprint able to install the product. 2. Perforate the center of the hole, placing over about 25 centimeters to 30 centimeters from the door handle, and the door bracket should be about 64 millimeters LH RH, 89 millimeters LHR RHR. Back set equals the distance from the door edge to the perforated hole center. 3. After perforating using the mounting plate, check the position of the strike picture. To install the front assembly, and when you install the back assembly, confirm the position of the strike installing on the door frame. Then install the back assembly. Four. After installing the product and strike, open the door and check if the product works properly. 1. Separate both door handles on the tempered glass door. 2. Insert the wing of the product in the groove placed inside the door handle. 3. Tighten the bolt of the existing handle. 4. Use the same direction to install the product holder on the opposite fixed door. For the two-door style, one door should be fixed. And convenient after-service all over the country. Our overseas after-service system also will be set up stronger than the domestic market in the near future. With our Vision 175V, which means to put the home and foreign markets together by 2017 with 5 main strategies, we, Unicor High-Tech, will become a company that satisfies the demands of the customers. Unicor will keep the comfort and happiness of your family by digital door locks. Unicor High-Tech Company Limited.